to the channel, please like and subscribe. This really helps the channel immensely and means I can make more videos. As well as this flag series, I will be getting some aerial footage of Sheffield and the surrounding area, as seen in this snow footage behind me of Dronfield. The link to the full video is in the corner or in the description. So last time you saw I sent loads of emails to embassies in London asking for stuff about their country, but mainly I wanted flags. The response so far has been mixed. As I was starting to get items sent, I decided to send some snail mail letters to embassies without published emails. These were sent on the day the snow started. They gave me those wonderful drone shots. I had been waiting for the post to arrive and he delivered some nice big envelopes. I have decided to record my deliveries on a world map to see how wide my responses have come. The first country was a small one, Turks and Calicos Islands. This is a British overseas territory located southeast of the Bahamas. So let's see what they sent. First, we have a nice compliment slip, a lovely brochure and a magazine, and a small tote bag. The next, again, was a small island. This time it was Cyprus in the Mediterranean Sea, just south of Turkey. They sent maps and brochures and a little book on their 1100-year history. Next was Belgium, the home of French fries and waffles. They sent a nice pin badge. Does this count as my first flag? Next was Uruguay. Lots of maps, lots of brochures, no flag. Next, Sweden. Couple of small books and a delightful notebook. The next package was from Cantabria, an autonomous region of northern Spain. Brochures, maps, and a massive sticker. Then I got this with no indication where it was from. On opening it, it was a flag from the UK overseas territory of the Falklands Islands. Let's look at our map. Looks sparse, but remember, some of these are small islands, 3 in fact. So this time around I had a total of 7 responses, 5 of which contained brochures, 3 maps, 4 with other items, and with flags just the 1, but it's a great start. The next instalment will be in 2 weeks. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video from Made in Sheffield. bye.